back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my... What decade did I just go to? Put down below what decade I was just in, okay? Yes. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm not really sure why. So go ahead and subscribe, and you become one of my little doll babies. If you're one of my little doll babies, my doll baby, how are you? I'm hyperactive. So, what is new?
Squirrel.
Today I have a wig review because we do mostly synthetic wig related content here. And we are multicultural and we are inclusive. So, I have one. I'm in love with this wig for so many reasons. Permanent collection. I already have plans for this wig. I'm obsessed with this wig. So what wig is it? Let me tell you. I have a Vivica Fox wig, and this is, I'm gonna call her Garrett, or Jarrett, but I think it's Garrett. And I have Garrett in the color TT4/2613. I scooped her up from wigs.com for $43.99, and then I had 30% off because they do some great sales. This wig literally took me 2 minutes. The most that it took me to get this wig together was the fact that this is a large wig cap, but it's doing a Motown tress where it's larger here but not from here to here, so just keep that in mind. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Yaki texture. The coloring on this wig is stunning. The rooting on this wig is stunning. I literally did nothing but cut off the lace and put some powder in the part. I have very, very, very rarely been able to do that with a wig. You can kind of fluff her up, or you can, you know, smooth her down. Like, I just love this wig. I think it's versatile, and I don't even like short wigs normally. Let's look at it in the back. Gorgeous stack in the back. Gorgeous stack. Oh, look at that. Although it's Yaki textured, which means it's a textured wig, I still think this is a multicultural option. I do feel like it's going to give you sort of that, you know, if you have naturally sort of thinner hair or non-textured hair, it's going to give you that feeling of like spraying a whole bunch of hairspray in your hair to get this. You could bump this up a little bit more if you wanted to and get sassy about it. Like I said, you could smooth it down. I didn't take any heat to it. I literally did nothing but cut the lace off and put some, there's some lace here, and put some powder in the part, and that was it. I love this wig. I think the color's stunning. It's comfortable. It didn't show me like getting her together because there was nothing to get together, okay? But I love this wig. I definitely think this would be a great wig for so many people. So this is what I have for you for Miss Vivica Fox. Okay, we have Garrett here. If there's another wig from Vivica Fox that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you have this wig or have some thoughts, put that down below. If there's another wig from wigs.com you would like me to review, also put that down below. Just put a lot of stuff down below, okay? If you like these types of videos, go ahead and get a thumbs up for me. Lets me know you like it, lets me know to keep doing it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Wow. I don't know what I was doing, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye!